Here we have a 2018 Seat Ateca 1.6 diesel, finished with 18-inch alloy wheels and in black magic metallic. Here on the inside we have a multifunctional steering wheel with cruise control, large touchscreen display with satellite navigation, reversing camera, media interface, radio and CD. Then down here we have our driving control, so you can go between normal, sport and custom. We also have 2 USB ports and an aux port. We also have a very large boot space with folding split rear seats, all done by the pull of a handle.